Can you hear me, SSV?
Yes, Vamsi, now you are audible.
Oh my God.
Hope I am also audible.
Yes, I can hear you. I'm presenting.
Yes.
Cannot use the Pro. Okay. So you are asking me to do the factorial, right? 9 factorial. Okay.
Yes.
So I will create. This is the one. I will create a def factorial
Hmm.
A. So factorial A.
Yeah. You have
This
taken a
is
variable called yes. Correct.
this is how. Yeah.
Required. Colon is required for every conditions and functions.
Okay. And for loop for so 1
You
into
take
2
some other variable like
for A in its range for in range 1 to A plus 1 to A plus 1. So then it will be 1, 2, 3. Range in A plus 1.
one small mistake.
Okay.
See, for suppose ఇక్కడ factorial of A తీసుకున్నారు కదా మీరు. For suppose if I taken 5.
Okay.
మీరు మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ లైన్ లో ఫర్ 5 ఇన్ రేంజ్ అని తీసుకోం కదా మనం. So it should start from 1.
Okay.
So you please change the variable to B or C or I. Something.
Okay. In the second, okay. For
Correct.
I.
I in range.
Okay.
Now it's perfect. 1 comma A plus 1.
Okay. I equals to
So where you got stuck down?
I want to multiply I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I equals to okay. First I needs to be incremented. So
Yes, I needs to be incremented కాబట్టి మీరు ఇక్కడ A plus 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి, A plus 1 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలని రేంజ్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన నెంబర్ ని I తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి మీరు, కరెక్ట్?
అవును.
So you take one another variable now.
I equals to I into
మీరు ఆల్రెడీ సెకండ్ లైన్ లో I అని వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా, దాంట్లోని ఈ రేంజ్ లో వచ్చే వాల్యూని స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
ఓకే. సో B అనేది తీసుకోనా ఇక్కడ?
Now say B into
B
I.
into I. Good. B I equals to I plus 1. Okay. Next,
Again, why I is equal to I plus 1?
not needed. Oh, okay. That's it.
And like what you are thinking of, and you already given the range here, no? A plus 1.
Yes.
Now you can say like return to B.
Return B.
It will, that I is equal to I plus 1 is not really required. Yeah, now it will show you an error like DNA. Now you run it.
But okay. Sorry. Let me complete this.
Yes, please, yes. Or else you can copy the code and use this compiler for today. If it is quick and fast, you can register down here. If not, you can use Google online compiler as well.
Yes. A equals to factorial B equals to I'm using MacBook, that's it's equals to factorial of I will pass it as 15 something. So and 6 E. So let me run this. Oh, yes.
You can use the compiler.
Oh, I need to sign in with this. Okay, other compilers, right? Python.